In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch your header to full width in Wix. This simple tweak can really enhance the aesthetic of your website by making your header occupy the entire width of the screen, creating a cleaner and more modern look. So, if you're ready to give your site that professional edge, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Wix website editor. This is the hub where you manage, edit, and customize your site. To get there, navigate to Wix and log into your account. Once you're logged in, select the site you want to edit, and it should open up in the editor. Once you're in the Wix editor, the next step is to click on your header. Your header is usually located at the top of the page and contains your navigation menu, logo, or other important links. By clicking directly on the header within the editor, you'll activate it and reveal more editing options. This is a crucial step because stretching the header will modify its current setup. Now that you have your header selected, you should see a range of options. What you'll want to do here is click on the Stretched button or link. This option is particularly important because it allows you to adjust how the header appears across different screen sizes. If you're unable to find it immediately, look around the toolbar or try right-clicking on the header, as different versions of Wix might have slightly varied layouts. Your goal is to make your header responsive, ensuring it adjusts smoothly to various display sizes. Finally, after clicking Stretched, you'll need to choose the Screen option within the Stretch Strip settings. Selecting the Screen option ensures that your header will extend across the entire width of the browser window. This setting is specifically designed to cater to the full screen, providing a seamless view that enhances user experience. Keep in mind that after you select this option, it might take a moment for the changes to populate depending on your connection speed. Make sure to preview and test it on different devices to see how it looks. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Wix site will now have a full-width header, making it look both polished and cohesive. Remember, anytime you make changes to your site, it's always a good practice to preview those changes and ensure everything looks just right. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and if you have any more Wix tips or tricks you'd like to explore, stay tuned and happy designing!